Want to replace the impeller of your extractor hood? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A socket spanner, a screwdriver, and a new impeller. Step 1. Remove the grease filters. To access the impeller, you first need to remove the grease filters. Unclip them, lower them, and remove them from the extractor. Step 2. Remove the old impeller. Disconnect the cable first. The housing of the impeller is often attached to the top and back of the extractor. Loosen the screws. Then dismantle the housing and remove the impeller with a socket spanner. Step 3. Fit the new impeller. Attach the new impeller in place of the old one and secure it with a socket spanner. Replace the housing and make sure the cable runs out of the housing correctly. Screw everything down firmly and reconnect the cables. Step 4. Replace the grease filters. Replace the grease filters and snap them in place. You have replaced the impeller and the extractor hood is ready to use again.